Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this episode, I would like to show you how I create some fun and useful Python commands to make coding in Visual Connect with WSL more enjoyable. So let's get started. Okay, and if you don't know how to install WSL, you can search for my videos about WSL like okay, the first practice on WSL, and in this video I will show you how to download and use WSL, and here are some other videos about fun comments on WSL. Okay, so come back to our Ubuntu terminal. Let's type list. Okay, as we list all the directory and jump to the list. Okay, let's jump to the directory practice by typing practice cd practice like this, and we jump to practice directory. And now let's list all these folder in the practice directory. We have funny Python comments, so let's jump to fun Python comment. Alright, let's see in this fun Python command we don't have any file yet, so let's create a new file by typing command touch and name it colors.py, because in this file I will show you some fun, because I want to make my terminal become colorful, I mean the output. So let's type color.py, or you can name your Python files to other name, and let's press enter. And you can see it in the VS Code. It just this appears a colors.py file because I connect my VS Code to WSL. You can see here. Alright, so okay, you can turn off your terminal and jump to VS Code. I will use Colorama to make our inputs become colorful. Now let's install Colorama first. Okay, so open the terminal like this, and alright, let's type pip install Colorama like this. Okay, so because I have already installed Colorama in my Python package, so I don't need to install it again. So let's import our Colorama library and use the colors from it, like from Colorama. Here it goes, and import for and style like this, and press enter, and we print open the parentheses, and let's type for dots. Here's what color you want to use. In this case I will use green. Okay, and plus, and this is the text like test edit successfully. Fine. And yeah, if you want, you can reset the colors after you print this line. Okay, let's use style. That's why I import style and use reset all. Okay, let's copy this code and paste it down here. Okay, we use, instead of green, we use red like that. Dot. So let's choose where's the red? Right here. And so we don't need reset style again because we don't print any color. Okay, let's type Control S to save the code. And what do we do next? Let's run the commands. Okay, the files color.py. So Because I use Python 3 package, so I will type Python 3, and I will type the colors, the file name, like color.py. Okay, py and run. Alright, so it's just colors. It's Python 3 colors like this and pi. Alrighty. So the tab edit successfully displays into the colors. You can see the first color is green because I set the default to green, and the second is red because I set it to red. Good. Listen a little bit music to keep my speaker alive. And alright, so it's really good to to do some comments like pretend you're a hacker or something. Alright, let's try another. And let's see what if we don't use style to reset. Let's use another color like say cyan, and another color like cyan no light light yellow X like that, and save and run the command. Just copy the previous command and paste it here. Already we can see the task edit successfully, with many colors. So you don't need to use style reset on the colors, but yeah, it's just time save and you need that for big tasks. Okay. Um, so let's open. Um, Alright, let's open the Google Chrome. And this is my Google Chrome on WSL because I installed Google Chrome on WSL. So you can see the penguin inside my Google Chrome icon here. So this is the Linux Google Chrome. And if you want to know how to install Google Chrome, you can come and inbox under my video, and I will create a video to show how to install Google Chrome on WSL. Now let's type ChatGPT. So I will tell ChatGPT to use Colorama to write write running system command. Okay, it's write a code, pretend like your running command system by using Colorama. Okay, by Python code. Already, let's send the request. Already, so let's copy the code. Okay, let's paste the code here. Alright, we have so many, and let's run and see if it's display any errors, and we'll fix, right? Welcome to the fake command system. Type help to see available commands. So let's type help. Okay, help. Available command like directories, ls, list fake directory contents. Okay, let's use directory like directory like holy. Okay, holy. And okay, directory holy is not recognized as a valid command. So you can see this is the print. This is the reference to the command. So the command is not recognized as a valid command. Okay, so Okay, let's fake CMD. So what do we do next? Let's type list. Okay, list all the directory. Okay, we have that is the fake directory. It doesn't exist, so to the fake file, I mean the fake directory here, file 1, file 2, and script notes. So, okay, let's try another command, like quit, right? Exist the fake command system. Alright, exist fake command system. Alright, listen a little bit music. Okay, that's a good one. Cool, and yeah, let's try again by typing help. Okay, let's run the Python code again. And now this time let's use exist. Let's see. Okay, exist and quit are the same. Alright. So this is fake command system. Let's try another idea. Give me another ideas. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's still the same. What is? So use canvas to type the command. Oh, let's create a new script and pretend like you're hacking a system. So how to turn up this? Okay, I hate this Canva. Where's my comment? Alright, let's create a new script and pretend use was trying to hack a system with Colorama. Okay. Alright, let's create a new Python code. Okay, I'm sorry for the my wrong prompt. New Python code and pretend you're trying to hack a system with Colorama and see. Okay, so let's copy the code and yes, Control A to select all the code, delete and paste the new code here. Alright, let's run our code again by copying the Python 3 color.py and run. Okay, initialize system bridge by passing file world layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, accessing secure database. Okay, inject exploit codes. Alright, decrypting passwords and alright, we got admin root users. Oh, it's just a fake hacking command with Colorama. It sounds good, right? With Colorama, we all can pretend like we're hackers, and uh, and that is the point. All of movies used to their yes, I mean the the oh, okay, it's my English is not good, so I'm trying to think about okay, um, whose is playing film, what I mean, some hacker character use the Colorama command to pretend they were hackers in films. Okay, so this is I want to show here the first commands with Colorama. We can pretend many things and make our terminals become good. And yes, If you have any question, or if you want me to create more fun Python comment, you can comment and inbox under my video, and I will create another video. And if you find this video useful, you can like, subscribe to my channel. It will promote me a lot. See you next time. Bye.